What is your personal message to Chinese people? Chinese brothers and sisters, I assure you I have no desire to seek Tibet's separation. My primary concern is to ensure the survival of the Tibetan people's distinctive culture, language, and identity. As a simple monk who strives to live his daily life according to Buddhist precepts, I assure you of the sincerity of my personal motivation. 您对中国人民的个人信息是什么？中国的兄弟姐妹们，我向你们保证，我无意寻求西藏的分离。我的首要关切是确保藏民族独特的文化、语言和身份得以延续。作为一名努力按照佛教戒律生活的普通僧人，我向你们保证，我的个人动机是真诚的。